Good morning, my fellow forex traders. It's your boy KokusFx. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys my account management strategy that I have discovered since I've been blowing my accounts. Most of you guys have been seeing my videos on me crying on blowing my accounts and all of that. So and my account size is $10. So this is the account management strategy that I have sit down and analyzed, and I have back tested it on my demo account, and it worked. So in my next one day now, I'm taking this strategy straight out to my real account to see how it's going to be. So let me quickly, because I wrote it down, let me quickly read it out for you guys. Probably if your account is small like mine, you can copy from this strategy or implement one or two things with your own So let me read that for you guys. The account size is $10. Percentage risk per trade is $1. So my account size is $10. Percentage risk per trade is $1. That is 1% of my account you grab. So numbers of trades to take per day. Numbers of trades that I should take per day. Monday 5 trades, Tuesday 5 trades, Wednesday 5 trades, Thursday 5 trades, Friday 5 trades. So if I take 5 trades every day for 5 days, risking 1% of my account size, that is $10, which is $1 with a risk reward of 1:2. What will be the outcome? So let's see what is going to be the outcome if I risk $1 per trade with a risk reward ratio of 1:2. So on Monday, first trade, amount to risk, I risk $1 on the first day. The pair that I traded was Euro USD because it's less volatile. Euro USD. So I risk $1 on Euro USD on the first trade, and result, it was a win. That is, I made $2 risking $1. You understand? So mind you, I'm not just taking trades. I'm taking trades that align with my setup. I'm not just taking any random trade. I take trades that align with my setup. Get me? I'm not over trading. If I don't see if any setup if the chart doesn't concord with my setup, I don't take that trade. Okay? So mind you. So the second trade, amount risk $1. Risk to reward ratio 1:2 per Euro USD. Result win. So I won the first trade and I won the second trade. That is $2 made from risking $1. Okay. Now the third trade, amount risk $1. Risk to reward ratio 1:2 per Euro USD. Result loss. That is, I lost $1. Okay. Are you seeing it? I lost $1 because I've come to understand that to become a profitable trader, you have to open your arms willingly to accept a loss, but not just any loss. Accept a loss with a purpose. Before you accept any loss, this is what made me lose this trade, I'll be careful next time. So that's what we call a loss. You don't just waste your money for nothing. Now the third trade is a loss. Now the fourth trade, amount to risk $1. Risk to reward ratio 1:2 per Euro USD. Result win. That is, I made $2 from risking $1. Okay. Now the fifth trade, amount to risk $1. Risk to reward ratio 1:2 per Euro USD. Result loss. So I lost the fifth trade. So now let's analyze everything and see how the 5 trades I took for the day affected my account, whether it affected it positively or it affected it negatively. So let's see. Analysis. At the end of the day, I spent, sorry for interrupting you guys. This is what we call journalizing your trade. This journal will help you. Like I started doing this recently, and I see that it's very helpful. So if you haven't started journalizing your trade, please do well to journalize your trade, because it will help you to know what you are doing in the market. So in analysis, sorry for that. Analysis. At the end of the day, I spent $1 on each trade. That is that on each trade that I took. That is risking $5 the whole day with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. I made 3 wins and 2 losses. Let me break it down. 3 wins equals to, in that 3 wins that I made, that is $2 for every win. So that is $2 times 3 equals to $6. The 2 losses that I took, that is $1 times 2, that is I lost $2. That is $6 that I won minus the $2 that I lost. That is $4. That is, I make a total profit of $4. That is, at the end of the day, I made a profit of $4, making my account grow by 4% in just a day. That is $10 plus $4 equals to $14. So I had extra $4 to my balance. You get me? That is, if I make $4 every day for 5 days, that is, I'll be making $20 every week. That was my salary when I was a sales boy, man. That's very huge. That's very huge. That's very huge for a very small account. Making $20 every week. That's very huge. That was my salary when I was a sales boy in the street. I was being paid $16. $20 is even above my salary, because $20 in Nigeria now is around 26,000. But when I was working, I was paid $16 every month, not every week. So that is, if I make $20 every week times 4 weeks, that's 4 weeks that makes a month. That will be making $80 every month from $10. $80 profit every month. That's crazy, man. So, and $80 profit, that's 80. I'm breaking it down now in Nigerian currency. $80 times, because $1 in Nigerian currency now is 1,500 naira. So that's $80 times 1,500 naira. That is 120,000 naira every month, nigga. 120k every month. Like, see, I want to be real with you guys. I haven't done this breakdown before. Like, this breakdown I did now is opening my eyes what I don't even imagine. Imagine making 120k every day at the comfort of your home with just a smartphone, man. That's crazy. So that is every month at the comfort of my home, making 120k. That is my salary for 7 months, 5 weeks as a sales boy. Like, 7 months. I have to make this 120k when I was a sales boy. That I will work for 7 months, 5 weeks before I'll be able to make this crazy amount. Nigga. Nigga, trading on like plan A trading, plan B trading, plan C trading, plan D, like plan Z is trading, man. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I guess it was very helpful. I guess it was very simple. Do well to drop your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because in this my YouTube channel I document my journey as a beginner forex trader until I become a profitable and millionaire forex trader. But before we get there, we have to follow this step, because if you can't manage a small account, my dear, you can't manage a big account. So if I can't, I'm talking to myself now, if I can't manage a $10 account, I can manage a $100,000 account. I'll show you now that this $10 account now is $10,000 account. You don't know, in end of the month I'm making like 100,000. Stop playing. No, sorry, I'm making like $80,000. Trading or nothing. Trading or nothing. So thank you guys for watching this video. So key takeaway, what I will tell you now is that if you're not journalizing your trades, please do well to journalize your trades, because, man, this journal that I took now opened my eyes. Like, it opened my eyes, man. At times I will take a setup and the risk reward will be like 1:4. That's $1 to make $4, $1 to make $10, bro. But I just did 1:2, and it's going this way with a very, don't just take any out trade. Make sure that your trade concurs with your setup, and you get to the top. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Bye. I love you all.